Hi everyone, this is Parul and sharing with all of you another relaxing evening yoga practice that you can do before your bedtime. So let's start. You're going to start this practice lying down. So just relax yourself, a comfortable position. Your upper body is relaxed and then hug your knees. So we will just start by relaxing our lower back and then gently swing side to side. Massaging your lower back. You can make small circles with your knees from right to left to start with. Just do it. 5, keep breathing. 4, 3, 2, 1. And then you switch. 5, left to right. 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we do happy baby. So just open your knees wider, okay, and then hold your ankles or the outside of your feet and lift your legs up. Your legs are bent and you can hold it in a way that your lower back tailbone is resting on the mat. So you can adjust your hand. Legs are bent, your arms are pushing your legs out. Get your knees closer to your armpits as much as you can, depending on the intensity you want right now. And then you can gently swing side to side. It's a great hip opener, very relaxing. So gently swing side to side and breathe. And then slowly stop swinging, and then you hug your right leg in and let your left leg be flat on the mat. Hug your right leg in, breathe, then you lift your right leg up and hold it from wherever you can, maybe your toes, maybe your ankle, maybe your shin. Let your neck and shoulders be relaxed. And get your right leg closer to your body. Releasing your hamstring. Breathe. Don't worry where you hold it from. Focus more on the length of your leg. And then you can do gentle ankle rotation. So moving from right to left for your right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you switch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then you slowly bend your right leg. Use your left hand to guide your right knee to come to the left, and you look in the opposite direction to the right. Spinal twist, taking your right arm at the shoulder level, looking over your right shoulder. Extend your left leg. Breathe. And then you come back to the center. Bend your left leg, rest your right heel on top of your left knee. We do reclining pigeon. Now option to let your left foot be flat on the mat, resting on the mat, or you can lift up, hugging your left knee with your hands, or you can hold your left thigh, whatever is accessible. Let your lower back and tailbone relax on the mat. Keep hugging your left leg in, releasing the right hip. Breathe. Then you slowly rest your left foot on the mat if you're lifting up. Release your right. And then we switch side. Hug your left leg in, right leg flat on the mat. Keep hugging your left leg in, releasing your hip flexors. Breathe. On your next exhalation, extend your left leg. Hold it from wherever it's comfortable. And get it closer to your body. Make sure your neck is relaxed. You're breathing. And then you can add in ankle rotation, left to right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and switch, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then you slowly bend your left leg, use your right hand to guide the left knee to the right, looking in the opposite direction to the left, extend your left arm, spinal twist, breathe. Then you come back to the center, draw your right leg in, rest your left heel on top of your right knee, reclining pigeon. Release your right foot off the mat, hug your right knee in. You can also hold it to right thigh, whatever is accessible. Make sure your lower back, tailbone resting down, and breathe, flexing your toes for your left foot. Relax your neck and shoulders, breathing. And then you slowly release, rest your right foot down, relax your left leg, join your feet together, drop your knees and come in relaxing sleeping butterflies, Supta Baddha Konasana. Resting your hands on your abdomen, just take a moment to take few breaths, relaxing breaths. Just breathing at your own pace, breathing in and out through your nose. Then you slowly take your legs in, bend your legs, arms by the side of your body, palms are facing down, and let's do bridge pose. Feet flat on the mat, press into your feet, press into your palms, lift your hips up, your lower back, middle back, upper back up, chest to the chin, chin to the sky. Make sure you're breathing. Keep pressing into your feet for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly rest your upper back, middle back, lower back, hips down. Then you turn to your side of your mat and then with the help of your hands slowly make your way up and come on all four position. And let's take 3 rounds of cat and cow. So coming on all fours, knees underneath your hips, wrist underneath your shoulders. Wrist shoulder width apart, knees hip width apart. Let's do cat and cow. Drop your belly, chin up, look up, breathe in. Breathe out, round your spine, chin to the chest. 2 more. Breathe in, drop your belly, chin up, look up. Breathe out, round your spine, chin to the chest. 1 more. Breathe in, drop your belly, chin up, look up. Breathe out, round your spine, chin to the chest. And then from here, let's go in puppy pose, Anhata Asana. Stretch your arms forward, lower down your chest. You can be on your chin or your forehead, whatever is comfortable to hold it here for a few seconds and breathe. Taking your hips away from your shoulders, hips stay over your knees. Breathe. It's a great release for upper body. On your next exhalation, draw your palms in and come in cobra pose. Extend your legs back, lower down your tummy, relax your toes, get your elbows closer to your body, elbows underneath your shoulders, press into your palms, lift your heart, breathe, stay here. Feel free to open your legs wider if that's more comfortable for your lower back. Then you lower down your chest, take your left elbow in, bend your right leg and use your right hand to hold the back of your right foot and just option to rest your chest down resting your forehead down on the mat or on your left forearm, or lift up, whatever is comfortable for your lower back. Releasing your quad muscles. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release slowly. Coming on your right forearm, bend your left leg, holding your left foot with your left hand. Again, option to rest your forehead down or lift up. Breathe. And then you slowly release, and let's get into crocodile pose Makrasana. So just resting your palms facing down, resting your chin on your palms, and just stay here. Slow down your breath. It's a very calming and relaxing yoga posture. Just observing everything you experience after this short yoga practice. Observing the sensation you feel now, observing how your body and mind feel now. Just letting go of anything from your day to day that was negative, that is holding you back. Just let go. And we're going to end the practice in Makrasana crocodile pose. So feel free to stay here for slightly longer time if you feel like just lying down and just simply breathing. I will see you again. Namaste. Thank you so much.